Okay, I don't have a phone holder here and I need to record like this, but main thing here, you have this flange that you need to remove. Also this here are actually two. You have one here, you have one on the cylinder, and there is a choke and the throttle cable come into carbs, and of course fuel line. So we need to remove all that to put out this carburetor. Okay, and this nice little old school carburetor is off, and you know, I like, for example, this should be like standard. You just remove this clip back and you open your bowl, and it's very easy to do that when the carburetor is on bike. I just love it. Let me just remove everything, as I don't have a stand. Okay. Carburetors are quite good, I would say. No, and drain them. I think you can remove this clip altogether from the carburetor, so it's not in my way. And now you have main jet, floats, idle jet, mixture screw, and I really don't remember what this is, but we'll remove it. Okay. Half. One and a quarter. Half, 1 and a quarter for this one. That's great. Here it is. So there are no, as far as I know, there are no anything else inside. Now for the needle, you need to be careful, as it will go just on one side. When you watch it from back of the carburetor, it's from left to right. Yeah, and it's a little bit tricky, as you really need to be careful not to broke these ones. So I put it on the, I cannot show you that. I will put it like this on the socket, so I can tap just a little bit. Okay, so I'm using the screwdriver handle, so yeah, just a little taps. Now gently I'll took it with pliers and it's out. Okay, so we have floats. They are like, you know, I don't know, some styrofoam kind, and very strange needle beneath. So it's where? So it's no metal one, and this one have a groove. Yeah, I will probably order the new ones. And here you have, yeah, this one is stuck on top of the needle, and it should be springy, and it's not. And this top also have a nasty groove on it, and I will try to source a new needle. Okay, let's for now put it in some cup and fill it with BB40, and we will leave it for some time. So now you have like 10 millimeters. Now you have, we will remove these two, and you will see the main jet assembly is a little bit complicated than you probably used to, as there is a couple of more parts that you will not find on all carburetors. Let's remove for now this one. Okay, but inside this you have more parts. This is the main jet, I'll show you that. But beneath this you have also this part that goes like this. Okay, and practically we left just with the idle jet. There it is. I mean, good carburetor kit would be nice here, and we will see, maybe in some moment we'll do just that. Here we have gasket that I really want to keep alive. Yeah, but it's not gonna be easy. I mean, we didn't broke this now, it was already broken. I put the gasket maker there. I'll do it maybe better job this time. You have main jet, then you have spring under it, and then you have this boy here with 4 little holes under it. So we need to clean all that, and then this body. And this is how, I think they call it throttle jet, but whole assembly that you have under the main jet. And there is the 2 parts here, so main jet is actually inside. You clean it, I didn't dismantle it. Then you have spring, then you have this jet that go into this with 4 holes that you need to clean. And then everything go into this, and you have this small part. So yeah, when they say Germans like to over-engineer something, maybe this is the good example. But let's put this together now. And this is what you always can expect on projects like this. So this gasket simply, yeah, it's too old, and we will just replace it. We will replace the one on the other carb too. That means that I cannot show you anything more. We will leave bike like this as I'm going home, but I will order this gasket and some other parts. Hope this helps someone. See you guys.